So I am at the Beach Boulevard Flea Market looking around for materials for the Flea Market Knife Challenge. Hashtag. So what I'm going to be looking for is something to make a knife out of. Maybe a rasp or something like that. I'm also going to need to find some handle material and whatever else. I don't know. Maybe some liners, something cool I can add to the knife that maybe makes it look like it came from a flea market. I don't really know yet. But yeah, hopefully I can find something. I think I may have waited a little bit too late today. Looks like most of the vendors are already gone. So I'll be back out here tomorrow at my knife shop. I think I'm going to try to get out a little bit earlier, try to find some materials that I can use, and yeah, hopefully I find something cool that I can make a knife out of. Alright, I found something that could be a little promising. Some stuff, I could use that and make some knife pins out of it. Hey mommy, how much for the just one of those?
40.
Yeah.
40 for you.
How much?
40.
No. Just the little metal thing in there.
The middle thing, how many you need?
I just won.
You need $1.
$1? All right, you got it.
You got one here.
You got another one there?
Here.
Yeah, perfect. All right, so $1.
What time is it now?
It's almost time to go.
Oh, let me
Yeah.
Let the husband.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. All right, so got the first little thing. I think that's going to be my pins for the handle. Have to clean them up, get that rubber off of there, that coating, whatever that is. But yeah, I think that'll get it.
Yeah, cut it. And make the basket.
Jason.
You show for what? Yeah.
No, I'm making a YouTube video.
Oh, YouTube video. Okay.
Hello. Hi. Alright, well, I'm back at the knife shop. I got the first thing that I needed. Tomorrow I'm going to try to pick up the rest of the stuff. And yeah, then we'll go from there. I'm thinking, I don't know if I can find like a cool saw blade or something like that. That'll be perfect. But we'll see.